Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, CarryOnUSA.com, and guys, I have you an awesome power chair by Golden Technologies. Actually, the power chair version of the CarryOn scooter GB120. This is the GB130. About to show you how to unbox it. It's going to come in just like this. It's very manageable once you get it in. You're going to unbox it by just cutting the tape coming out. So inside of here, you're going to see your flags, an extra shroud kit, whatever color you decide to pick. We'll go ahead and include these on your power chair so you don't have to worry about doing that. It is kind of a pain to change them out, but we'll show you how to do it. And if you order it in a certain color, we'll ship it in that color. Here's your manual. Both of your armrests. And your charger. Once you remove the top layer, is where you're going to find the power chair. So go ahead and take the seat out. And remove the power chair. And don't forget, the gift that comes with it is a bag to carry your battery. If you're flying, it's a fireproof travel bag for your battery. So just go ahead, take your time and just remove some packaging. I use one of these little mail openers, but you can use some scissors, not hard, packaged very well. I really like this material that's on this. You can see I have two of these already up here. This is the blue one, this is the red one. Again, these shrouds can be changed to make this blue. They also have pink coming, yellow, a few other colors coming out. If you're right-handed, it's already going to be set up on the right-hand side. If you are left-handed, it can be moved to the left side. If you let us know before we ship it, we'll go ahead and move all this to the left-hand side, so when you receive it, you don't have to worry about running all the wires around. So that's just something that we'll do when you order from us. If you order this from another company, you're going to have to do a lot of this stuff. But when it comes in, this is your basket. There's two levers you pull out to bring this up, and then you're going to push the button to remove the battery. So once you remove this, what's really nice about this unit is you can charge the battery through here. So go ahead and plug the charger into it, plug it into the wall, let this charge for 12 hours. This is a TSA approved battery up to 12.5 miles. So in order for it to be TSA approved, it has to be 300 watt hours or less. This is a max 300 watt hours, 12.5 amp hour battery. So you can travel anywhere in the world with this. And again, you get this fireproof bag to carry with you. So when you fly, you're going to go on the airplane with this battery in this bag. Then they're going to come take the power chair like it is. One rule of thumb, what we tell people is to sometimes leave the power chair all the way together. It just makes it a lot better on the chair. The airlines are telling us to tell you to just leave the power chair unfolded if you get a fold-up one, but this one, just leave it together, they'll take it. The convenience of this folding down like it does is for you when you get to where you're located. The taxis, hotel rooms, cruise ships, this could go underneath the bed because it's only 10 inches in height when it's folded down, which is crazy. So center wheel drive, power wheelchair. And the thing that's really neat is when you lift this up, it gives you places to grab, so it's not so awkward to lift. It's not as light as some of the fold-up power chairs, but it's not awkward to pick up, which I love about it. But the benefit of the center wheel drive turning makes it far better than any back wheel drive chair out there that I think, especially if you're going to be using this inside in tight environments. If you want that tight turning, 21-inch turning radius is what this has. You can maneuver this everywhere. It's about 23 inches from outside to outside and about 23.5 with the arms. Those arms up here, just so you know, is currently, it's about 18 inches between the arms, but you can move these out, but you can get up to 21 inches between these arms, which is awesome if you need some extra room. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put this seat on real quick. As you notice, I don't have the battery in, but the first thing you're also gonna do is you're gonna want to remove the fuse. Now it's going to ship to with the fuse out. We're going to probably ship it to with the fuse in once we get this set up to where we can do it. But right now, if it ships to you, you're going to remove this fuse and you're going to drop it right into this right into the port. And this tells you the fault codes about the chair. If it's in freewheel, like right now it's in freewheel, it will not work because you can push it. You have to lock the brakes in order for this to work after your battery's charged. And just put this right back on. To bring this back up, make sure you put your basket back in first. Just come here. And then your battery right back in. Actually, we're going to put the seat on, so I apologize. Make sure you line this up. It might take you a second to get used to it. When you come here, be extremely careful to, you see that little nook? It's also on here. You want to make sure that you get it correct and pushed in, and then come and tighten it up. If it doesn't go in, just remove it. Make sure you're doing it right before you put the battery in. But you'll know when it goes in. So like, you see this? Boom. If you get that wrong, it can blow that fuse. But if you do it and take your time, don't jam it or force it. Make sure it goes all the way in before you put the battery in. Take this like that. That's done. And the same thing on the other side. Drop your battery in. Turn your power chair on. And there you go. Assembled, very fast, very easy, no tools. Just get it charged up. This one's battery's already charged up. And we're going to show you how to change out the shrouds. When you remove these, you're going to come into here and pop it up if you have to do that. The same thing for this one. You're just going to put your fingers up underneath here and get that first one off. All right, it's hot back here, guys. We're in South Carolina, but look, there's a couple things you can do. You can adjust this out some if you need to. Again, the arms can be adjusted. So this is a great mobility product. A lot of people that have a power chair, they're a little bulky, heavy, and too hard to travel with. You have to spend a lot of money for a lift to carry it with you. The airlines don't like it. You go somewhere, getting it out the taxi. So if you're looking for an alternative chair to travel with, or if you just need a new power chair for a really tight confinement, this is a great chair to think about. This is the GB130 by Golden Technologies, a center wheel drive power chair. Turns right in the middle, and yeah, it's sporty. But if you're looking for a mobility scooter, check out the CarryOn from CarryOnUSA.com. It's the scooter version of the power wheelchair. You'll love it. But if you want that tight turning inside your house, that GB130 is an awesome solution for you. Give us a call at 803-926-2224. Visit us online at CarryOnUSA.com.